And also for payment, do you have an account in the US, or do I use TransferWise?
Okay, wait. I was going to send you. Western Union is best for me. And also, do you have Payoneer?
Payoneer, I do not. Do you have? I have TransferWise, so I've used that.
Okay, so you can use any accounts to pay me. You can add anything. You if you have to Western Union. So yeah, pay also by Western Union is the best method for me. It's easy. Like
Okay, do you have a method for me to do that? Just give me the instruction. I never used Western Union before,
easy,
so whatever it is.
just I'm sending the link. Then you can check it your website, and it's easy. Just click and select Bangladesh. Add my mobile wallet number, my name. That's it.
Sure.
Yeah, you can share my skin as well.
Western Union. Oh, I see. I can do it online.
That's only payment. Yeah.
Okay, so 1,200. And then what is the currency that you're going to be receiving it in? Is it in the Bengali currency?
Yeah, BDD. Yeah.
Okay.
And then you need to create an account. Just that is. Okay, so at this moment I need your competitor's website and your website login access and images by Google Drive. Then I can work on it. I can start work.
Okay, I'll put you in an account with the guy who set everything up, and then, or like, I'm sorry, and then we can go from there. In the meantime, I'll set something up to on Western Union. Does that sound good?
Yeah.
Okay, sounds good.
Assalamu alaikum. Brother, how are you?
Good, alhamdulillah, how are you?
Alhamdulillah, I'm also good. How's going your plan?
It's going good. It's just been busy with baby, so haven't had a lot of time. Been trying to find time for this. But alhamdulillah, myself, how about you? How's everything going?
In my side is all okay, alhamdulillah. And what is your family condition? Like, okay?
It's good, alhamdulillah. Thank you for asking.
Alhamdulillah.
It's okay.
So I think you make all for ads like content videos for products, right?
Yeah, so this is what we've got. We have a couple of, we're going to run ads like this, a couple of these. Your watch just got smarter. This is an ad for smartwatch, it's an ad for your watch, and then in the caption we have a little bit more details, just to share exactly what it is that we do. And then you have at the bottom, like an Instagram, like a learn more, like bar that goes across the bottom, that essentially just takes them to the site, right?
Yeah.
So that's what we plan on running right now. We have these two ads, and then we have one more, which is this, which is going to be up like essentially an ad that has 3 slides in it, or 4 slides in it. These are the 4 slides. Same thing, just run with like learn more at the bottom. It should be like leads. We're trying to basically generate as many leads as we can, as many people to convert into signing up for the site. Now the only thing is this is going to be for the first month. In parallel, we'll try to set up some videos or some other ads for the second month, depending on how well these run. But for now, we'll run these. Does that make sense? So we'll have 3 ads that we'll be running. This is going to be one of them, and then the other 2 that I had showed you previously. These 2, 1 and 2.
Okay. No worries. So the images like is very minimal. So can you add some colors, colors tone or something like that? This is background is totally white. You can follow your brand color like you made your website.
Yeah, that is our brand color. Our brand is very like minimalist. The idea being, it's supposed to kind of like give the idea or the impression of very minimal, I guess, impact to the overall color. We might switch out for like, might invert the colors, or we might switch out for very light gray backgrounds as well. That's also a possibility.
Okay, got it. So can you download these images and can you send me the images by Google Drive?
Yeah, I can do that. That's no problem.
Okay. Then I can research some your competitors what they're doing, and if possible, you can send your running competitors what they're doing is better. But if not, I can.
Yeah. So the only competitor we have right now is let's see if I can find the image. This is the only competitor that we have.
I can see your skin like you share only one, like only Canva interview.
Stop sharing. Let me try sharing the whole screen. There. So this is the only competitor we have. I don't like their color scheme. They have a giant text list here. We have something similar, but I don't overall love the way their site is laid out. I think it's very, very basic. We have essentially a better way that it's all set up. And then there, you can try to find their ad.
Yeah, send me the all your competitors link in my WhatsApp. Then I can take a look. And also, I need to set up the Facebook pixel with conversion API to your website. So, what is your website CMS?
Sorry?
What is your website CMS?
CMS?
Yes, like WordPress, Shopify, Wix.
Oh, it's WordPress, yeah.
Oh, that's good. That's good. So I can set up easily. Like in the
There you go. So this is our site right here. As you can see, we have a health tracker. We have some assistance here. We have a carousel of. Am I in editing mode? What's going on? I might be in editing mode. Let me try to go into Edge. Should work in Edge. Okay, so this is the site here. Yeah. So if you go like this, you'll see the same screens.
yeah,
Reserve yours today.
brother.
So this is what I'm saying. Yeah.
We can use some your website images. Your website images like it's awesome. We can do a ad set. Like I will add the product images that you are editing in Canva, and also we can add these images. I think it's AI made.
Sure, that's fine. We can do that too. So like I was thinking, I was considering that as well for this ad set right here, where we have the apps, right?
Yeah.
We can swap them out with this. My only concern was that the screen itself seemed a little bit small, right?
Yeah.
That was my only concern.
Yeah.
But yeah, I mean, I'm open to it naturally, so I'm happy we can swap it out for this. Because we already have the product. Let's see, we already have the product image in the top screen, the front slide, so I don't necessarily need it in every subsequent slide after that.
Yeah.
So that's not a problem. But yeah, this is the site. Then you have an about us, which will take you to an FAQ and a couple of who we are, a contact form, and then a reserve, and then a reservation page.
Yeah. So I think I need to drive people the reserve price, right?
This is just the reservation price. So by putting a refundable on the $5 down today, you can save $50 when the product launches.
Okay. Okay. So if I drive the audiences like traffic from Facebook ads, I can drive on this page like reserve page.
Okay.
Yeah, that's better to show.
What do you need from me in order to do the pixel stuff?
I
Do you need like WordPress login?
Yes. I need logging access to set up pixel, and I will create a Google Tag Manager. Like it's part of third-party tracking. So I need to set up a Facebook pixel to your website, and I need to work on Google Tag Manager. It's GTM.
Okay, sounds good. Let me know. I can send you the login info for it and the URL. And then you just let me know anything else that you need from me to help set all that up. And then also for payment, do you have an account to the US? Or do I use TransferWise?
Okay, wait. I was going to send you. Western Union is best for me. And also, do you have Payoneer?
Payoneer, I do not. I have TransferWise, so I've used that.
Okay, so you can use any accounts to pay me. You can add anything if you have to Western Union. So yeah, pay also by Western Union is the best method for me. It's easy. Like
okay, do you have a method for me to do that? Just give me the instruction. I never used Western Union before.
Easy.
So whatever it is.
Just I'm sending the link. Then you can take it to your WhatsApp, and it's easy. Just click and select Bangladesh. Add my mobile wallet number, my name. That's it.
Sure.
Yeah, you can share your skin as well.
Western Union. Oh, I see. I can do it online.
That's online payment. Yeah.
Okay, so 1,200. And then what is the currency that you're going to be receiving it in? Is it in the Bengali currency?
Yeah, BDT. Yeah.
Okay.
and then you need to create an account. Just that is. Okay, so at this moment, I need your competitor website and your website login access and images by Google Drive. Then I can work on it. I can start work.
Okay. I'll put you in an account with the guy who set everything up, and then or in a group, sorry, and then we can go from there. In the meantime, I'll set something up to almost 30. Does that sound good?
Yeah.
Okay, sounds good. Just running average. Okay, that sounds good. Okay, sounds good. Cool. Anything else?
No, okay, it's better. It's better. Yeah.
Okay, perfect. Sounds good. Thank you very much. I'll register that profile with the Western Union, and if I have any issues, I'll let you know. I also need do I just need your phone number for Western Union?
No, I'm going to send it. Will I send in personal or in this group?
Just send it to me personal. I just can handle it.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay.